As much as I love having oatmeal almost every morning, I knew it was time to start adding more variety to my breakfasts. So I went online to look for new recipes. Two things I look for when I'm searching for new recipes are healthy ingredients and simple instructions. So in this video, I'll be sharing 4 of the breakfast recipes I found that are healthy, super quick, and easy to make. Okay, so as much as I tried, I couldn't completely leave oatmeal out of the picture. But I usually have warm oatmeal, so I thought I'd give overnight oats a try to make it a little bit different. This is a really quick and healthy breakfast option you can take with you on the go. I had this a lot when I was in college for the same reason. But something I had never tried before was adding yogurt, and this has made all the difference. It adds a nice, creamy texture to the oats, and I recommend using a high-protein yogurt to make it even more filling. For this, you want to combine half a cup of rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of yogurt. I'm using a vanilla-flavored one, and you also want to add half a cup of milk. You can sweeten this with maple syrup, agave, or a few drops of stevia. And then mix everything together. Now you can add your choice of toppings. I added a mix of blueberries and raspberries, hemp seeds, and chopped almonds. Put this in the refrigerator overnight, and now you have a healthy breakfast waiting for you in the morning. A few years ago, I did a 30-day vegan challenge, and I have to say, it wasn't as hard as I thought it'd be. I'm not vegan, but in those 30 days, I learned to eat in a completely different way than I was used to. And thanks to that experience, I started incorporating more plant-based meals into my diet. I also learned that eating vegan or plant-based food is far from boring or bland. And this tofu scramble is the perfect example of that. It's packed with tons of flavor. For this, you want to crumble 1 package of firm tofu in a skillet. Then you want to add the spices, a little bit of water, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the heat, and now I'm going to warm up some corn tortillas, which feels so weird to say like that. I'm Mexican, so I usually pronounce it in Spanish, tortillas. And you can add a layer of refried pinto beans or black beans, the tofu scramble, and top it off with onion, cilantro, avocado, and I'm adding a little bit of homemade salsa. And this savory breakfast is ready to enjoy. I've always loved avocado toast, but an easy way to make it a little bit more filling while still keeping it plant-based is by adding chickpeas. You can cook the chickpeas from scratch or simply use canned. But if you're using canned, I do recommend getting the no salt added option because canned food does tend to be higher in sodium. So while the bread is toasting, you can make the chickpea mixture. For 2 servings, mash half of an avocado, a 1/4 cup of chickpeas, add a squeeze of lemon juice, salt to taste, and sprinkle in some fresh cilantro. Mix it up and spread this onto your toast. I'm only showing 1 toast here, but I do like to have 2 for a satisfying meal. I love combining sweet and savory, so I'm pairing this up with a side of strawberries. And breakfast is served. If you have a sweet tooth like me, then you're going to love having this smoothie bowl for breakfast or as a quick afternoon snack. To make this, you really only need 3 ingredients and your choice of toppings. In a blender, add a 1/4 cup to half a cup of plant-based milk, depending on the consistency you like. Then you want to add 1 cup of frozen mixed berries and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. I'll add a link to the one I use in the description box below. Then you just blend, Pour this into a bowl and add your favorite toppings. I added hemp seeds, chia seeds, shredded coconut, and some fresh berries. Simple, healthy, and quick. I hope you enjoyed these easy, healthy breakfast ideas. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll be sharing some of my favorite healthy morning drinks. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon.